Hey guys, hello everyone. In today's video I'm going to go over the DeWalt 20 volt brushless drill. Just recently purchased here. It's a newer model. I believe it's last year or this year's model. It's a shorter version of the drill of the DeWalt. It has a newer motor. It's 2-inch shorter to get in tighter spaces, and it has 16% more power. 16% more power than the original the year before model. It also has 404 watts, unit watts of power, and 1650 RPM. And it's a half-inch racket. So let's go over it and see what this is all about here. You can see it's really compact, really nice. Feels really premium. It came with a battery pack and also came with a charger pack. I already got that hooked up. I'll show you guys later on it. Also came with a belt clip. Nice little belt clip. You see that? Again, this is the battery, and this is the battery. You just slide in and hook it up. Nice thing about it is it also has a built-in LED. You press it and then the light comes on. You can see that, and it's auto shut off. Well, let's see what else it has. It came with instruction, a little nice bag for you guys to store the tool. And let's go over the tool a little bit here. Again, it has a half-inch chuck. So here you can see that the premium feel of DeWalt. This is your settings. You got your settings right here. You see all your settings, and then this is your, I believe, your speed. You got low speed and high speed. And you got your reverse right here. So again, your low speed, high speed. And it's a really simple drill. It's for, use around the house, like for projects like fencing project, like outside really far where your cord drill can't reach. Now, and the reason I went with this model is because, again, it's shorter. You can get in tight spaces, and it's light. After a while usage, if you're using this consistently, it gets, your arm might get tired. But let me press it here. You can hear. Let's hear the motor running. It's got a sensitive speed triggers, yeah. Again, very strong, very compact. They just make these things get more stronger and stronger, And I mentioned this is brushless motor built into it. I like the rubber feel of it, the premium feel of it. It feels really nice. Now let me show you guys. Okay, so I figured I'd do a quick demo, putting the drill bit into the chuck or the drill, and let you guys see how it turns and spins. Again, here in Indiana right now, it is like 90 degrees, but it feels like 100. It hasn't rained for a couple of weeks either. It's really hot. So filming this video it's just burning up in the garage, but yeah, you just put it, drill bit in there. Again, this is half an inch. You hear it click. Premium feel of a DeWalt. Man. Oh yeah, this thing's nice. So let's do that speed 2. You can see it, speed 2. Speed 1. Okay, and then you got coming apart. There you go. Forward. Yeah, this is. Well, you can hear the gear kicking in. It's trigger sensitive. Right? Okay, and then let me see anything else. The LED lights, as I mentioned earlier. And you got your settings here. I think this is your tension, torque tension. Well, that's all really simple, really easy. It's all to the drill. Again, this is your reverse, which I already showed, but half-inch, 13mm cordless brushless drill driver. So it feels really good. The rubber, I like how it feels in my hand. But this is where I have the charger set up. As you can see, the charger here, it's really basic charger where you plug it, you put your battery in, and it has your pack charging, it blinks, and then packs charge, it stop blinking, and of course hot cold delay, both light blinks. And this is where I try to have everything all set up here. My Greenworks charger battery's there too. But again, it's a very nice drill. Nice drill. They do have a next model is a Max Pro, I believe. That's for like professional. If you're you're using it for like contracting jobs and stuff, I recommend going to the next model. But for a guy like me, just using it around the house, this is a perfect tool. Small, you get tight spaces, and it's nice. It's a nice feel in your hand. I highly recommend it. I pay about for the price wise, I pay about $100. It's on sale currently. I bought it low. It's on sale at Lowe's for $100, and it came with a battery. Again, it came with all that stuff. And you can buy, there's the lower model that comes with 2 batteries, but it's a longer version. And I think it has an older motor, so the motor is 60% less power. I don't know how much that's going to mean to you. It depends on your project, but to me, 60%, I'll take it. I took it and upgraded it to the new model. But other than that, I like it. I recommend it. I figured I'd throw in a quick review for you guys. But until next time, until next unboxing, take care. Let me go over you again. I'm gonna try to hold this here. It's pretty heavy. Nice thing about it is you can rotate it. So if you're left-handed, right-handed, if you're doing a hammer drill, you hold like this, and then you turn clockwise to lock in place. So what's nice about this is it has a 360 turn. This is your trigger, your reverse, and I believe your reverse trigger, forward trigger, right? And here's your settings. You got your drill and your hammer settings. It's pretty simple, it's all to it. But again, I say it's 1500 watt. That's really strong. 433 BPM, and I went with 13 amp because they sell in 7 amp, 8 amp, 9 amp, I believe. But you want to go with 13 amp. 13 amp is heavy duty. It can do everything, and also you can use this as a mixer, an auger mixer. Just put it in here on the drill end of the chuck. Again, it's 1 1/4 inch chuck. That's pretty big. Put it in and you just hold drill and you just mix it cement or paint, whatever. So it's an all-in-one.